Hi, if you're like most teachers, you have a plethora of PowerPoints you've created over the years. And what's really excellent is when you make the transition to utilizing Canvas, you do not need to recreate the wheel when it comes to your PowerPoints. So you can see I have a PowerPoint up here, and the first step is to make sure that you save it so you know where to find it, and then go into your Google Drive. Now, from your Google Drive, what you're going to do is you're going to click New, and then do File Upload, and then find your PowerPoint presentation, and you can see right here that it's uploading and that it has uploaded. Now you can see right here is where my presentation is. I'm going to double click, and then it pops up a dialog box here that says Open With. So you're going to click on that down arrow and choose Google Slides. What that is doing now is that is converting your PowerPoint presentation into a Google Slide deck. Now, 90% of the time, it's going to come in perfectly. That other 10%, you may have to change a font or some spacing, but I can see by what I have here that everything looks really well. So to get it into Canvas, what you're going to do is come to File, scroll down until you find Publish to the Web, which is in this bottom section. Click Publish to the Web. This dialog box loads. It automatically highlights link, but what you're going to do is click Embed and then Publish. This dialog box pops open that says, "Are you sure?" Click OK. And then another dialog box pops open, and it's already highlighted the text that you're going to utilize to embed. It's called an embed code. What you can do, you can right click and click Copy, or you can click Control C. Either way. Now return to Canvas, scroll down and find the point on the page in which you would like the PowerPoint embedded. I'm going to put it right here between these two content headings because I know I'm going to give a little bit of instruction first. On the toolbar up here, notice if I hover, it says Insert Edit Media. Click on that. Here's General, but what we want to do is click on Embed and paste the embed code there. So I'm going to click Control V, and you can see that it went in. I'm going to click OK. And there it is. It comes in. I'm going to save it and let you see how big it comes in automatically. And then if you like it to be smaller, I'll show you a way to do that as well. So that's the way that it looks typically. You can see how big it is in proportion to our image that we have. If you want to change that, click Edit. And then we're going to edit in HTML. And this is just like a light switch. It turns on and off. So click on HTML, and then don't be scared of this. There's a lot of stuff in here, but once you get used to looking at it, you can see, and I'm going to scroll up in here. What I'm looking for is structure, as in width times height. So I can see width times height here, but I know that that's not it. I'm looking for something that has 900 in it, and I know it's going to be up here towards the top. So it's easier to scroll all the way to the top and then go down. Once you get used to looking at HTML code, you're able to pick it out faster. So you can see that right here, it says width 960, height 569, allow full screen, and you can see the coding behind. What I'm going to do is, instead of 900, I'm going to backspace over that and make it 700. And that way it's just not quite as large. Then I can go back to the rich content editor, and you can see that it is now smaller. Let me save that so you can see it now in proportion to our picture. It's just a little more comfortable on the eyes. Now students will be able to go through your slide deck, and they will still be able to click on any links. They open up in a new page, and then they are able to go through and read. And what's nice about this is that it allows for students to have some interconnectivity or interactivity with your content instead of just scrolling. So I find this is very effective. The other thing that's nice, if you find an error, you can go directly into the slide deck and do an edit, and it will automatically update anywhere that it's embedded in any course. So you could have the same slide deck embedded in multiple courses and it will fix it in one point. So that is a very easy way to upload an already created PowerPoint, turn it into Google Slides, and embed it into Canvas. And once you get proficient at this, it literally just takes a few minutes.